Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you today the process of oiling in on a finished canvas. In this video, I'm going to share with you the importance of oiling in, the benefits, how to do it properly, and importantly, the difference between oiling in and varnish. Remember, oiling in is not a substitute for varnish. So the first question, why do you need to do an oiling in on a finished canvas? You would have observed that once you've finished an oil painting and you leave it for a couple of weeks or months to dry, some of the parts of the painting start to look dry or sunk in, while the rest look fine. This happens largely because some oil paints or pigments tend to absorb the oil medium more as compared to others, thus leaving the canvas looking a bit patchy. So I'm going to use the process of oiling out to create a final layer of a solution and leave it to dry for another 3 months before I come back and varnish it. So not only is this dry to touch, but is probably also completely cross-linked with no give in the areas where there is thicker paint.
I mix 1 part of my oil medium like a linseed oil with an equal part of a solvent like distilled turpentine and keep the solution mixed in an airtight glass jar. And I use this for all my projects. The ratio of the medium to solvent can vary depending on your style and how you like to layer your paints. Just remember that solvents are drying in nature as such, and if you're using a thick paint in your final layers, probably you would need to add a little bit more of the medium as compared to the solvent, and keep that as your oiling out solution.
It is also important to choose the brush correctly during the oiling in phase. I like to use a soft synthetic brush. I'm using a flat brush in this case, which helps to evenly apply the oiling in mixture as compared to, say, a hard bristle brush. It is also important to ensure that you have a clean lint-free cloth like a cheesecloth to eventually wipe off the excess layers of your oiling in mixture. This will help it dry evenly and prevent any shine spots versus matte spots. The benefits of oiling in go beyond just reviving colors in your painting. It also provides a smooth, even surface that allows for a more uniform application of varnish, the final step that comes a few months later. This step can enhance the appearance of your artwork by reducing the appearance of dull or sunken spots and ensures that every part of your painting is uniform and shines. When mixing your medium and solvent, the ratio is important. High solvent content can cause the oil to dry too quickly, which can lead to brittleness over time. This brittleness increases the risk of the paint cracking as it ages. It also leads to uneven gloss. Say, for example, you've added too much of solvent, it can result in an uneven finish where some areas of the painting are appearing matte and some others are appearing more glossy. This can make it challenging to even apply varnish later on. While oiling it, be cautious not to oversaturate the canvas. Too much oil can cause the surface to become sticky or tacky or even over glossy, which might affect your final varnish layer, which will come a few months down the line. Oiling in revives and prepares your painting, while varnish provides a protective, final layer that safeguards your work from dust, UV light, and other environmental factors. Both are essential, but they serve different purposes.
The last step is to wipe the surface gently using a cheesecloth.
This will help it dry evenly and prevent any shine spots versus matte spots.
So just be gentle on the places where there is elevated paint or texture. For example, in this case, the needles of the cacti. And with that, this canvas is done, and I'm just going to leave it to dry over the next couple of more months before I come back to it and apply a coat of varnish. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.